What's up, guys? What's Psynos? Give me in the belly, like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. How we there with another?
No.
Oh! See there? I broke you off. What we are doing today, Miss Psynos?
Smack or fact.
Smack or fact?
Oh!
How that go?
Show them powder.
So pretty much what we are going to do right now, Shaka J, Psynos, I got ask, aka the road manager, ask you some random questions we're supposed to know about each other. You know,
Yeah, behind the scene. No matter what the birds then, the birds and the trees.
Yeah, and if me no know the answer, powder there and whoop, I get a smack across my face. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm ready now.
Alright.
Don't box me at it though. You ready?
Alright.
Yeah.
We'll start. Kilo, start with you first. What is Psynos' middle name?
Lorenzo.
Alright. What is Kilo's middle name?
Jada Gay.
Yeah.
Good job. Which hospital was she born? You, Lauren, Psynos.
Oh.
Backside. The Senans Bay.
Oh.
Which hospital was he born?
One in a watch, but it's not a hospital anymore.
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
correct? Okay, okay. Alright. What is her mother's middle name, Psynos? What is Kilo's mother's middle name?
After you never you tell me that.
A lie.
Rose Bailey.
A lie.
No, Rose, you never tell me that.
No, me always tell
No,
you.
you tell me Kashika. Rose
It's
Bailey.
not even Kashika's name.
Alright.
Aisha.
Take off your glasses. Take off your glasses.
Yo, you see all them things there? Yo, not come box people because them face and come if you deep on that side there.
Boxing where you want boxing.
Boxy boy! Yeah, so she boxed me at a while ago.
Alright.
Olivia.
Yeah, yo, you
What
know, so she
is-
never yet tell me that, you know?
What is
Yeah.
Psynos' mother middle name?
Yeah, man, you talk too much.
A Polly. A Polly. An a Polly. An a Polly.
Oh! Powder.
Okay. No, Polly. Polly.
Yeah, call me Mother Lizard. I'm going to call up on the thunder god.
Yes, what it is, what it
By the
is.
power of Grayskull.
Smack that.
Bitch, what?
No, you know I'm my box.
Sure.
No, see, such a box me at it. He's a nice person.
Sure.
What year did this is your
My
question now. No, that was so it's
That's
your
it.
your
Oh,
question.
theme time.
Yeah. What year was Leah born?
Look at this dude.
Backside. 2019.
Okay.
Yeah! My mom put me.
By the way, for the record, Leah is 2, so all I have to do is minus.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Minus. Oh, safe. Jesus. You see if he saved me. Thank you, God. You can't take no more
Get
back.
it still.
You get it?
What year was Jermaine niece
AKA son.
born, Julie?
Jesus loved the little children. Oh, the children.
Hold on. Me not answer a question yet.
Batty boy!
Hold on, come here, Psynos. Get it. It's smack. You have to smack her. She don't know. Alright, now count to 10.
Hold on.
Count down from 10, 9,
You know,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2.
2014.
No, smack her.
2012. Me did not work you out till my have to guess.
All right, you know.
Jesus.
You know. All right.
Be a poor and
What primary or prep school did Keela attend?
Yo, you know, say, she show me, but she never tell me the name
Me
yet.
tell you, you're too.
Don't worry yourself. Smack him, yes, smack him.
Box me out.
Box
Me
him.
tell you.
No, you tell me the name. No, you tell me. You show me in a
box the
picture,
boy.
but you never tell
Box
me the name.
him.
Well,
Smack him.
Well, let me try. Let me try.
9,
So them thief are girls, the girls against guys. They saw the steer. Well,
7, 6.
it's a
hold
Seventh-day
on,
Adventist school.
She
5,
said primary.
4,
I never attended the prep school
3.
at that school.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Primary. Yo, so she look me up in my face. So she box me and watch me and you when I your turn, yeah?
Alright,
Yes, sir.
Walk it over here.
no. Same question go for your killer. What primary school did Psynos?
Oh! No.
Put the powder up on this.
Don Robin.
Alright.
Don't have been one.
Don Robin primary.
Yo,
You know what me nearly say?
how
Me
you
nearly,
talk?
me nearly say puppy.
Yo, you said the
Hold on,
man.
how much marks we got? How much keep marks?
How
How much question you ask? Sorry, no about 4.
We don't know.
4 yeah, about 6 more left. No, don't give me. They call the man go against me.
Okay, who needs to answer? You know, right?
No,
You.
just get box away.
You.
Yeah, you need for answer.
You.
Oh, yeah,
You.
yeah.
Okay.
You need to ask she now.
Yeah, you
And
need to
she
ask me.
No,
Ask
me.
Are you?
Yeah,
ready
because
for
she
ask?
boxed me a while ago. You just ask her.
So
So.
you mega ask now. Are you?
Look at
Are
this
you
dude.
mega ask?
Oh, yeah,
question?
true.
Of course.
Wait till you see the.
No, you.
no.
Because
I
you
mean,
just boxed me a while
me
ago.
just box you.
Yeah, me get it wrong.
So
So
you
you
ask
turn
me,
it.
you
Yeah.
and me get
You know what I mean?
Okay. What? I wonder if you know this.
Come back, speed.
At what age did Psynos decide to stop eat pork?
You don't know about Bruno, no.
Me eat
They
you.
don't know about Bruno. They
Oh!
Bruno, no.
If you can give me the ear, that's fine too.
They don't talk about Bruno.
My friend.
That was a long time ago. From before my trust of spring, that was long
You did ever
ago.
tell her that?
No.
So she
What?
can't. She can't.
2010.
She can't. She can't.
Me don't know that.
No, we're gonna scrap that one. People were gonna scrap that one because he has never told her that.
You see, she say girls against men alone.
Me don't
Hey
know
boy,
that
Jay, this is where there. No, dog. Keep your family, dog.
Could I must
Alright,
just
let me
Well,
ask you a
okay.
question. What year did he stop work in corporate fully?
2017.
Look, I cannot even know. What is? Is she right?
No.
True. Are we? When?
My friend, Psynos gave me now 5 years old.
Yes.
You know?
So in 2017 you start Psynos gaming?
I start Psynos gaming when we did in a
Hold
corporate.
on. No, man.
No, I start Psynos gaming when I was in
In
corporate.
corporate. Okay.
I stopped working at corporate 2 years into Psynos gaming
Okay.
existence.
All right.
This year, Psynos gaming is going to be 6.
Right. So
Squash.
much.
Give me run.
So never
We
tell
run.
me that.
So if I tell you, it's in the research. No, you see your Psynos gaming fan. Come in the box. You know. Come in the box.
True. She was just giving
We run here, so me I run from. So me also do mind them soft. You see? And she give me a rotted lick here, so I'll cook up.
Your time now.
Jesus,
Yeah.
Father
Your
God.
time now.
Okay, you do close.
What year did Keela started to work as a volunteer for NCDA? Keela, you know, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long me know you, my Psynos? We are friends for 5 years.
That means that a year they should start work.
Yeah, is that year when we did meet her?
All right, so tell me the year. So tell me the year.
So me just have to
So
go
tell
back.
me the year.
You have to
10,
go back seven
9,
years from now. 2015.
8,
You start.
7.
16.
Don't tell him 6.
16.
5. Yes. Boxing.
You done
Get him wrong.
Yo, nobody let me at you know. Nobody let me know me ears, you know, my friend. Yo, you one side shop put it on you, foo, yeah. Go on. No 16. Oh,
2016.
no, see something on that because I know no far. No, never far.
You didn't know.
But my answer the second time right. I understand. I answered the second time.
Didn't know. Okay, next question. You forget it?
2 more questions.
What is his favorite fruit? By the way, these people are like dating and don't know his favorite.
Mango. Me? You're too lie.
She think I'm gay. Batty boy.
You're too lie.
Tell your favorite fruit when we're boxing.
I have a variety.
No, but tell her your favorite fruit.
The favorite one.
Yeah.
You love mango.
What me love? You love it too.
You have to smack her though, you know. You still have to smack her. Smack her. What?
Grape.
I was gonna say that.
I said mango.
But did I go say it?
Jesus Christ, it must have an earthquake. Sorry to interrupt this set. Friction has caused 5 man, cute.
I said, Mama said, when Keela said, mango, Mama said, me.
Me? Gay?
All right, your time. What's our favorite vegetable? Oh man, I don't need to go back on the drawing board with this relationship, yeah. Oh, bro.
Yo, I'm more than one of your favorite.
No,
you
me
know?
always a talk about one something I like to eat. What?
No. Hey, that, vegetable, yes, right?
Yes.
You me know like an idiot. Cassava.
You fool. You stupid.
Just give me.
Broccoli and cheese.
Exactly, even we know
Broccoli.
that,
First of all,
Joe.
cheese is not vegetable.
Yeah, but it's broccoli.
Broccoli and cheese.
It's broccoli. It's broccoli.
You
Broccoli.
know, well, the
All right,
take
see
care
that-
of food and then mash up every
Exactly,
broccoli.
every broccoli. It's true. When you couldn't eat off the broccoli, she said, give me the broccoli.
And
the Chinese
mushroom.
food and the mushroom. Jeez.
That give me that.
I'm not that easy.
Unless I come team
I'm
up
gonna give you
against
that
me.
easy. Okay, next.
The last one now?
Yes.
Yeah.
The last one.
And I'm gonna
December.
ask you. This is going to come to a surprise. How many letters are there in Psynos' first and last name? You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6, 7, 6,
13.
4.
What? What
13.
am I talking about?
How many letters in your first and last name?
JERMAINES.
Germans?
COTT.
And 9 that? At 13?
13.
Yeah, she's right. He didn't even know. He didn't even know. Oh my God.
How much people account name? When I count letter in our name? Who account? Gaza. Big up cartel. World boss. Stream.
Yeah, Johnny.
Free world boss. Touch the road now. Them send for the army. So I say go.
Are your time?
Your time now. It's your time. I'm asking you now. I think this one, him now will get. You will have 15 seconds to tell me how many letters in her full name. First,
Jesus
and
crime.
I know my middle name difficult.
What about no hyphen in?
may I give you 20 seconds? May I give you 10?
So me for the count? From
Yeah.
the front go to the back?
First, middle, and last. 1,
A symbol.
No bother with that.
3, 4. Make sure you're checking out so you know. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
22.
No.
22, I count. You can't include the hyphen,
It's
you know.
27 and the hyphen
Anyway.
is a symbol.
No, me not have time for that. Box me. Box me. Me not have time for that. Just box me and done. Box me.
Let's
Box
go.
me.
Stop moving now.
Yeah, oh, yeah, man. You're
This is a
lucky.
special.
No, me
This
no
is the
business.
last
Me
one.
not have time.
But the judge is going to do the boxing.
Box side.
Can you tell me the month and year you met each other? Who can tell me that in 10 seconds?
Me member.
All right, don't they? All right, you remember?
Wasn't it
February 20,
20?
18.
18?
Yeah.
Come on, you are get back. That's the end of the show.
Yo, me not put up that vlog. You come on for me for thing. That vlog you not go up. See, boy, JD, me think it up on my side. The two women, them plan for me, dog. You see them plan for me?
You don't remember that?
That's a wrap, people. From behind the scenes. I think we can honestly say the winner.
Yeah, man, girl.
Winner.
Yeah, man, I say plan. Yeah, man, when them did their own this in our living room, I feel them the plan.
No.
It was them plan.
Oh no.
Jay come
Them
up
plan.
before
Yeah, man,
me.
Jay come out in a week. Them
That's a bad mind steer.
Me bad man.
That's a bad mind steer. Turn off this.
Anyway, people, see them.
Turn it off,
them
turn
lock
it off.
Yo, you see them lock off all the camera.
Turn it off.
Load the camera. Alright, me lose. Me I take me loses and thing. Me still believe them plan up in our living room and thing. So big up on yourself.
Feel
Every
my
time.
money.
And all them thing there, free world boss, you see, the real boss, you know. So just continue stay focused, stay positive. You be things in my nose, you know. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, rain not go fall, and just go on journey with the boy. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God will rock. Whoop.
Turn it off.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.